You know that version of yourself at 11:52 p.m., the one staring at the ceiling thinking, tomorrow, different beast, main character energy. That person is inspirational. That person is also a liar. Because 7 hours later, a completely different citizen wakes up. Morning. You doesn't want greatness. Morning, you wants comfort. Morning, you negotiates like a corporate lawyer. 5 more minutes. Let's just check YouTube for one productivity video. It's educational, so it counts. And just like that, the promise evaporates. No drama, no explosion, just vibes and betrayal. Here's the truth nobody says. You will break promises to yourself. Not because you're lazy, not because you're broken, but because willpower is a terrible security system. So if you can't rely on discipline, you need a trap. In Atomic Habits by James Clear, there's this clever little gem known as a commitment device. Think of it as a sophisticated strategy to outwit your future self's inevitable lapses in judgment. Let's face it, you know exactly what needs to be done. The real challenge? Doing it when Netflix is calling your name. Your brain, in a moment of seriousness, suddenly turns into a philosopher. Balance is key. Rest is productive. Scrolling is basically research. Meanwhile, your deadline is sitting there like, dude, here's the scoop. You're running ancient caveman software in a world that's basically a dopamine theme park. Your brain doesn't care about 6 months from now. It cares about right now. Comfort now trumps success later. Every single time. Unless you rig the game. A commitment device is like setting a trap for your future self, one that's painful, expensive, or downright impossible to escape. You're not just removing the option to fail. You're locking it in a vault and throwing away the key. Forget motivation. This is about crafting a foolproof structure. Picture this. You want to rise and shine at 5 a.m.? Don't just hit snooze on your alarm. Launch your phone across the room like it's a frisbee. Or better yet, hand your friend $100 and tell them it's theirs if you don't send a 5 a.m. selfie. Suddenly, you're sprinting like Usain Bolt. Looks like your ambition might need a little boost, but your fear of losing $100? Now that's top-notch. So here's the game plan. Give yourself a little emotional nudge, but do it responsibly. If motivation is politely asking you to get moving, then a commitment device is like locking the fridge and tossing the key into the ocean. Extreme? Definitely. Effective? Absolutely. You've got two versions of yourself, present you and future you. Present you is all about snacks and chill vibes. Future you is dreaming of abs and big wins. But present you keeps swiping from future you's stash. Enter the commitment device. It makes present you play nice with future you. No haggling. No, I'll do it later. No epic inner TED talk. Just getting stuff done. When things get real, like during final exams or big deadlines, that's when your brain decides to play hide and seek. Suddenly, reorganizing your desk becomes a top priority. Your room, spotless, and that penguin documentary, a must-watch. Your brain gets super creative at dodging discomfort. In these moments, you don't need a burst of inspiration. You need some good old-fashioned restrictions. Delete those distracting apps. Use website blockers that you can't bypass. Study in a public spot where leaving would be awkward. Tell everyone your goal. Make quitting a hassle. Make failing a pain. Next time you make a promise to yourself, skip the vibes and motivation. Set a trap for your decision. Our biology craves comfort and usually wins unless you outsmart it. A commitment device is your secret weapon. You doesn't need a pep talk. Future you needs a safety net. That's how you truly lock it in.